A KastKing Sharky III spinning reel retails for around $60. A Shimano Stradic in the same size retails for around $200. The same largemouth pulls drag on both. 5 fishing reel brands using the same bearing systems, the same drag materials, and the same factories as the names charging 3 to 4 times the price. Wade Coleman ran a tackle shop in southeastern Oklahoma until 2024. The day he closed the doors, he wrote out a different list. Not the best sellers, not the high-margin items. He wrote down the 5 reel brands his most experienced customers used to outfit a serious fishing season without paying the premium markup. The list he wrote was the 5 reel brands that delivered tournament-grade performance at a fraction of the brand name price. 5 names that shipped the same bearing systems, the same drag materials, the same gear ratios. 5 names a tournament angler in Oklahoma can save $300 to $400 a year using. Number 5 on the list, Pflueger President. Pflueger was founded in 1881 in Akron, Ohio. 144 years of continuous American fishing tackle production. The President's spinning reel retails between $50 and $70, depending on size. The construction comparison is straightforward. The President uses a 9+1 stainless steel bearing system on the larger sizes, graphite body and rotor for lightweight performance, aluminum braid-ready spool, aluminum handle with soft-touch knob, 5.2 to 1 gear ratio across the lineup. The Shimano Stradic in the same size class uses a 6+1 bearing system. The Pflueger has more bearings. The Stradic uses a higher-grade carbon fiber drag. The President uses an oiled felt drag. Both systems hold a 4-pound largemouth on a fight to the boat. The drag material changes longevity over years of saltwater abuse. For freshwater applications, the felt drag delivers smooth performance season after season. The argument for the President is simple. The reel casts smooth. The drag releases consistently. The bearings spin clean. The difference is the brand position and the drag system upgrade Shimano sells at 3 times the price. Tournament walleye anglers in the Great Lakes region have been running Presidents on multiple rods per setup for 2 decades. A serious angler runs through 2 to 3 reels per fishing season under tournament conditions. At $200 each, that is $600 in reel replacement annually. At $60 each, the same season costs around $180. Wade kept Presidents on his finesse setups for over 20 years. Number 4. The Daiwa BG. Daiwa was founded in 1958 in Japan. The BG line, originally black and gold, launched in the 1970s as the workhorse saltwater spinning reel. Today, the BG retails between $90 and $130, depending on size. The construction is the part that makes the math work. Hard bodies, aluminum body, and side cover, black anodized for corrosion resistance. Air rotor design that weighs 15% less than traditional rotors and distributes stress evenly. 6+1 ball bearings. Carbon ATD drag system rated up to 33 pounds in the larger sizes. Compare directly. A Shimano Stradic in the premium carbon body line retails around $250. The Daiwa BG retails around $100. The premium Shimano is lighter due to its carbon body. The BG runs a true aluminum body. The lighter Shimano works for finesse tournament anglers, running 10+ hours of casting per day. The heavier Daiwa BG works for the same angler the next day on a 6-pound striper or a redfish in the inshore flats. The aluminum body absorbs abuse, the carbon body cannot. Both reels last for years. The BG was designed for harder use at half the price. Wade told his saltwater customers the same thing every time. If the reel will see salt, BG first. The next 3 reels on this list are the ones Wade said most of his customers walked past every single time. Before we get to them, point your camera at the QR code on the screen. The Angler's Vault just opened with the complete smart gear system Wade used to build a tournament-ready tackle box for under $300. The vault includes the full smart gear under 300 module, the 10 fatal mistakes anglers make when buying reels, and the Redding Water module that explains where each reel category earns its price. Link is pinned at the top of the description. One-time payment, no subscription. Now back to the countdown. Before we continue, Wade had 4 tests every customer could run on any reel before paying retail. These 4 tests separate budget reels that deliver from gear that only looks cheap. First, read the bearing count and the bearing material. Stainless steel ball bearings beat ball bearings without specification. Shielded or sealed beats unshielded. The label tells you the corrosion protection grade. 5+1 is the working minimum. 7+1 or higher delivers tournament-grade smoothness at any price tier. Second, test the drag before you buy it. With the drag set tight, pull line steadily off the spool. The release should be smooth and consistent, without stutters or jerks. A drag that hesitates and then jumps will lose fish. A drag that releases in steady increments will land them. Third, spin the handle empty for 10 seconds. The rotation should feel smooth across the entire revolution. Dead spots, grinding, or wobble indicate gear quality problems that get worse under load. Quality reels at any price point spin cleanly from the box. Fourth, the 50 trip test. If a $60 reel still casts true and tracks straight after 50 fishing trips, you have your answer. If a $200 reel develops a wobble or a drag problem in the same window, you have a different answer. This test costs nothing but time. Time is how every claim in this video gets verified. Number 3 on Wade's list, Penn Pursuit. Penn Reels has been manufacturing American fishing equipment since 1932. Founded in Philadelphia by Otto Henze, the company built its reputation on saltwater workhorses, including the Senator series. The Pursuit retails between $50 and $70, depending on size. The construction is the famous part. Full metal body and side plate, 5+1 stainless steel bearing system, sealed HT100 carbon fiber drag, saltwater rated. The metal body delivers durability. The graphite-bodied reels at the same price point cannot match. The Penn Slammer 3 is the premium model in the same family, $200 and up. Sealed bearings, heavier full metal body, higher max drag rating. The Pursuit 4 uses the same HT100 drag formulation at 1/3 the price. The drag system is the engineering. The Slammer body is the upgrade. For most inshore and freshwater applications, the drag system is what catches the fish. Wade's Tackle Shop sold both side by side for over a decade. The Slammer went home with the offshore guys chasing tuna and big stripers. The Pursuit went home with the inshore anglers, the surf casters, and the budget-conscious tournament regulars. Both reels brought fish back to the same scales. The price separated the customers, not the catch. Number 2 on Wade's list, Okuma Ceymar A. Okuma was founded in 1986 in Taiwan. The Ceymar A retails between $50 and $80, depending on size. The reel won Outdoor Gear Lab's Top All-Around Spinning Reel Award in the most recent buying guide. The construction breakdown: 7+1 ball bearing system, multi-disc oiled felt drag, machined aluminum spool, cyclonic flow rotor for line management, body sizes from 1,000 through 8,000 for everything from panfish to inshore saltwater, right or left-hand convertible. The Shimano Stradic FM is the premium comparison at $219. Higher modulus carbon body, Hagane gear technology, X-ship support bearing for the pinion gear. The Ceymar A delivers the same essential bearing count, the same essential drag function, the same essential casting feel at 1/3 the price. The argument is the test data. Outdoor Gear Lab tested the Ceymar A against 12 top spinning reels, including premium options at 3 to 4 times the price. The Ceymar took the top all-around award. The smoothness, the drag, the build quality matched reels at the higher tier. The price did not. Wade kept Ceymars on his rental rods for tournament practice days. The reels survived hundreds of customer hands per season. The maintenance was minimal. The replacement rate stayed below the reels he stocked at 3 times the price. Number 1 on Wade's list is the one that surprised him the most, the KastKing Sharky III. KastKing was founded in 2014 in upstate New York by Poseidon, a startup built by college students who wanted direct-to-consumer fishing tackle without the middleman markup. The Sharky III retails between $50 and $70. The construction is the part that makes the math impossible to ignore. 10 plus 1 shielded stainless steel bearing system. Triple disc carbon fiber drag rated up to 39.5 pounds in the 5,000 size. KISS protection system that seals the spool, body, and rotor against water and dirt. CNC aluminum braid ready spool. Manganese brass pinion gears. The model is private label direct sourcing. KastKing contracts directly with the same factory tier that produces several mid-priced Japanese reel models, retailing at $150 and up. The factories make the reels to KastKing specifications. The branded marketing budget disappears. The wholesale distributor margin disappears. The retail price drops by 60%. The product itself comes off comparable lines. The Sharky III at $60 carries a higher bearing count than the Penn Slammer 3 at $200. The carbon fiber drag rating exceeds most premium reels at any price. The seal protection rivals the Shimano Stradic FL line. The trade-off is the weight. The Sharky III is heavier than premium reels with full carbon bodies because the body is graphite reinforced rather than carbon. The all-day caster doing finesse work in clear water might prefer a lighter premium reel. The angler running a single rod for 4 hours has no reason to pay 3 times the price. The fish does not read the label. The fish reacts to the hook set, the line management, and the drag pressure during the fight. Hook set comes from the rod and the angler. Line management comes from the spool design. Drag pressure comes from the carbon fiber discs. The Sharky III delivers all 3 at $60. The proof is in the cross-comparison test. Walk into any major tackle retailer with a Sharky III in one hand and a Stradic in the other. Note the bearing count. Note the drag specification. Note the body construction. Note the seal protection. The specifications side by side tell the story. What you will find is that the Sharky III specifications often equal or exceed the Stradic specifications on bearing count, drag rating, and seal protection. The differences are in the cosmetics, the body weight, the brand position, and the cork or EVA handle finish. The fishing performance gap is far smaller than the price gap suggests. Wade said the same thing about KastKing that he said about every other brand on this list. The customer who paid attention saved hundreds of dollars per year. The customer who chased the brand name spent that money on marketing instead of fish. Wade kept a working tackle setup for 38 years behind the counter. The reels in the last decade were almost entirely from the 5 brands on this list. He fished tournaments with that setup. He fished for groceries. He fished for the love of it. The reels still produced fish in every one of those decades. The model numbers shifted, the factories rotated, the specifications drifted slightly, but the principle held: buy the bearings, buy the drag, skip the brand markup, let the fish decide which reel works. Wade's complete list: Pflueger President for finesse and freshwater, Daiwa BG for inshore saltwater workhorse duty, Penn Pursuit for surf and inshore mixed use, Okuma Ceymar A for the all-around tournament practice rod, KastKing Sharky III for the maximum specification per dollar in the entire spinning reel market. Every one of them delivering performance that matches or beats the premium brands at 1/3 to 1/2 the price. The math across a single fishing season is significant. A serious angler running premium reels in every category spends between $600 and $1,000 on reel replacement annually. The same angler running Wade's 5 reels spends between $200 and $300 for the same coverage. The savings are between $300 and $700 per year. The fish caught are statistically the same. Test the bearings. Test the drag. Run the 50-trip test. The brands on this list survive that sequence. The pattern connecting all 5 brands is the absence of one or more layers of markup. Pflueger eliminates the import-distributor margin through American operations and direct sourcing. Daiwa BG eliminates the carbon body upgrade premium through aluminum body construction. Penn Pursuit eliminates the sealed bearing premium through HT100 drag focus. Okuma Ceymar eliminates the Hagane gear premium through proven Taiwan precision manufacturing. KastKing Sharky III eliminates the wholesale layer and the brand marketing budget entirely through direct-to-consumer sales. Every one of them puts the money into the bearings and the drag instead of the label. The men who know these reels tend to stay quiet about it. They run their presidents on 3 rods at the same lake for 10 years. They replace their Sharky III when the seal finally fails after hundreds of trips. They drive home from the tackle shop with the same fish in the live well as the angler, who spent 4 times as much on the reel that caught them. The Smart Gear under 300 module gives you the complete tournament-ready setup, including the specific reel models from each brand on this list. The 10 Fatal Mistakes module covers the buying errors that cost anglers hundreds of dollars per season. The Redding Water module explains where each reel category earns its place, all inside the angler's vault. Link is pinned at the top of the description. Hit the like button if Wade's list changed how you think about your reel collection. Drop a comment with the cheap reel you swear by and how long your favorite has lasted. They were never looking for a logo. They were looking for a reel that catches fish and does not ask for attention.